how are you? I hope you're keeping yourself safe since the last time we talked, since the last time we interacted on this channel. So if you're new here, feel welcomed. And my name is Lois, plating a nutritionist, and this is where we fix plates. Do you want us to fix your plate? Feel welcomed. So today I decided to talk about healthy hacks, like how do you decide eating healthy with the things you have, like the things you've always get access to. Your menu doesn't have to be exotic for you to start eating healthy. It is just the normal things that we, I think, assume that are not edible, but really in essence, some things you can just use them to just prepare another kind of dish. So in this case, we are talking about watermelon. And how do you eat your watermelon? So I know most of you just remove the red fleshy part and eat it as part of the fruits. Here it's very rich. It is 90% water. It has a lot of vitamins, fiber in it as well. And that is not all. Yeah, the watermelon rind, what do you do with it? Most of it, I think it goes to compost, and most of it goes to the trash. Yeah, I've seen a lot of people throw it, but I just want to tell you it is edible, like its cousin, cucumber. We eat the whole of it, right? So remember, cucumber and watermelon are cousins. They are about 90% water. So yeah, where do you throw your watermelon rind? So today I will show you how I eat my watermelon. I remove the red flesh, and I can juice it or eat it the way it is. Yeah, in portions. Like I use like around 100 grams like per meal, so that at least I get enough of it. And then the watermelon rind, I steam it, add a little bit of spices, and enjoy it. Yeah, have a look at how I prepared and presented mine today, and I hope you present yours too. And please, if you try it, comment down below. So guys, today I want to show you how to eat your melon. Yeah, so I have realized most people throw the white part, so you can eat it with all the melon. So what you do, you don't remove the cover of the melon, so you can eat it through to the white part, which sometimes is tasteless, but it's good. It's high in fiber. So what I want to teach you is don't throw away what you think is not important. So I've washed the watermelon and peeled it. So as you can see, I just removed the flesh. I want to juice it maybe for tomorrow, or yeah. So you can see I removed the hard cover. Yeah, so this is what I'll do. I'll just cut them into pieces, and then I steam them. You will see the end product and how it tastes. So that's how it looks. I have cut them into pieces. Now I want to steam them. Part of it I just put in a container, pickled it, put 1 part of vinegar and 2 parts of water. So we'll see after 3 days how it tastes. So that's my glass container. I have just pickled. So tomorrow, after 3 days, we'll see how it tastes. I've never pickled it. It's just a trial, but I know it just adds taste to it. The way you pickle your cucumber and carrots is the same way you can pickle that. So yeah, let's steam this and see how it looks like. Wow. Let's see. So I eventually presented the food like this. So this is the watermelon rind. Yeah, this is rice, half a cup of rice, and then this is vegetables. The whole of this is vegetables, and I have an avocado there. So basically, as you can see, my half plate is full of vegetables, and then half a cup of rice. This rice, okay, since I decided to just put like a few of chickpea, as you can see. So this is rice mixed with chickpea. So yeah, that is how I ended up presenting my food. Yeah, so this, yeah, I'm sure it's sweet, so let me eat now. Yeah, I'll tell you how it tastes, but I have tried it before and it's really nice. So yeah, so make sure you try it, you tell me how it tastes. Yeah. So in case you're wondering why watermelon rinds, so I just want to have a recap and give you its importance. Yeah, just in case you're wondering, why should I eat, what am I getting out of it? So our number one obvious reason is fiber. Like, okay, what is the importance of fiber? Good bowel movements. It's a filler. Like if you're trying to cut off your starch or your calories, you can serve more of watermelon rind and vegetables, and then you reduce your carbohydrate intake. Yeah. And then like the fiber in it, it lowers our cholesterol. Yeah, it has a way of lowering our cholesterol because now it's steady the yeah, it lowers our cholesterol. And then another thing, like it's steady, like our blood sugar rise becomes steady if you're eating high fiber foods. And then another key thing, yeah, as you've seen what I did with my watermelon rind, I either steamed it and then part of it I pickled it. Like that should be I can use it for snacking and it can stay like up to 5 days because pickled the vinegar in it is its preservative form of if you want to preserve any kind of vegetable, you can just pickle it. You can use it for a longer time. Remember, here we are saying healthy eating should be economical, so I didn't want to throw it. I was not going to use the whole of it, so I decided to pickle it. When I'll be testing, I will do a video. I'll tell you how it tastes and then I'll share with you. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. And then another key nutrient that is the watermelon is rich in is an amino acid called citrulline. Yeah, citrulline helps lower our blood pressure, and then it has a way of relaxing our muscle, and it when a muscle is relaxed, it dilates and the flow, yeah, it increases the flow of blood, and in this case it increases the flow of blood, of oxygen. So you can use the watermelon rind as a pre-workout. Like you can snack on it, you can snack on the pickles, or you can steam them, and it becomes your pre-workout because now it strengthens your muscle, because your muscle now can work with increased flow of oxygen. Yeah, so that's it for today. If you enjoyed watching this, how we use like the most available vegetables to make our plate healthy, please comment down below, ask questions, and if you're gonna try it, please come back and put a comment on how you found them. They were really crunchy, they were so nice. I enjoyed eating my meal, and I felt a little full. Like it's high fiber, so my, as you saw, my rice was really little. It was a half a cup. Yeah, and I felt so full when I ate it. So yeah, for today, that's our healthy hack. I hope you enjoy. Please share. If you want your friends to know how to use the watermelon rind, please share, and click the notification bell for you to get for you to be the first one watching my video anytime I post it here. And if you really like it, share. Yeah.